This feels like someone famous, right? Let's create this using Mixamo. Open mixamo.com. For the character, search for box and pick this one. For the animation, we will download 3 movements. First, idle, selected, download as FBX with the skin and keep the default name. The second animation is first pump. This time download it without skin. The third animation is pointing, selected and downloaded without skin as well. Now go to Blender, open the top sheet and import the idle animation first. Now import the second and third animations. Change the top sheet from here to Action Editor. Rename them, delete the armature, and do this one by one. Go to the NLA Editor, select Idle, and add an action, and choose the first pump animation. Move the pump strip, then adjust the blending value. Now do the same with the pointing animation. And that's it. Give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.